Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now remove the headphones from the charging case and then press and hold the main button on your right one or left one earbud until you can see that LED light is start flashing blue and red. Now we should see it, and we can see it. Click on it and done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!